Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer retirement accounts using Fidelity NetBenefits Rollover, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fidelity NetBenefits account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the prompts on the Fidelity website. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer or Rollover section on your dashboard. Select the type of account you wish to roll over, such as a 401k or a traditional IRA. Read through any instructions provided about the transfer process. Gather information about your current retirement account, including account numbers and contact details. Click on the Start a Rollover button or link to initiate the process. Choose whether to have your funds directly transferred or if you will receive a check. If opting for a direct transfer, enter the required details about your existing account. Follow any prompts to verify your identity, such as answering security questions. Provide information for the receiving account at Fidelity, ensuring accuracy. Review the information you have entered for any errors or omissions. Complete any necessary digital forms to authorize the transfer. Once you have submitted your request, you will receive a confirmation. Keep a copy of any confirmation emails or documents for your records. Monitor your accounts to ensure funds are transferred within the expected timeframe. If you encounter issues or have questions during the process, contact Fidelity customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.